What is up people, welcome back. It's been nearly 2 weeks since I posted my last video on my channel. I've had a big headache of dealing with some exams throughout the week. That's now over and I'm glad I'm back into the world of YouTube, and I look forward to add more subscribers to this channel. So today in this video I'm gonna talk about my juicy stock, that is XPENG Motors. And let me tell you guys, I've added another 18 shares of XPENG. When the stock was trading around $31, I sold all my position and workers. You all know I was desperate to sell that stock. I know I'm supposed to do this sets on portfolio video, but I'm not gonna be able to do that this week because I'm planning to do more videos on individual stocks, and I think that is more important. Okay, so you know I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say on this video should not be taken as financial advice, and you have to do your own DD before you invest your hard-earned money. However, if you like what I get for you, make sure you destroy that red subscribe button right now, and a big thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm will be appreciated. Trading 200 link is down in the description. If you want to get free share worth up to £100, all you gotta do is follow to the link, register, and then deposit at least £1. You get one free share, I get one free share, which may be worth up to £100. XPENG stock has been selling off ridiculously since last few months. Not to forget, most of the EV stocks and small cap growth stocks are facing the same disaster. XPENG is down more than 63% from its all-time high. Just in the last month, the stock lost more than 24%. And in the last week, the stock is down more than 11%. I used to be over 100% green on XPENG, and now I'm down more than 15%. The reason I'm not worried about this loss is I have invested with this company for long term. I've not invested for quick buck. And in the long term, I think XPENG will be one of the top EV company in the world. And I mean not just by market cap, but with actual sales and revenue. The company has demonstrated massive growth. The deliveries is getting higher, the sales and services in the country is expanding, revenue is getting higher, and they have significant support from Chinese government. In the month of April, the company delivered more than 5,100 vehicles. They beat their March number, which was just over 5,000 units. So far this year, XPENG delivered nearly 18,500 units. And if the company will just maintain this pace, they will easily achieve that 100% sales growth of year over year. Alright, let's quickly look at this article. XPENG charging network exceeds 1,000 stations in China. Free charging facilities expand to 19,000 plus miles across 164 Chinese cities. XPENG Motors today announced that its own branding Chinese network across China has now reached 1,140 stations, spanning 164 Chinese cities. XPENG is the first EV maker in China to offer free lifetime charging services for its customers, demonstrating its strong commitment to popularizing smart EVs by providing easy access to free charging facilities, enhancing customer experience and increasing EV user convenience. The company has built a comprehensive charging network, now including 19,019 free charging and supercharging piles in 1,140 charging stations, covering city roads and highways across 164 cities. These complement XPENG's smart EV product offering and the variety of battery power and range options, offering the flexibility and convenience for different customer needs and driving scenarios. Last week, XPENG launched another 13 charging stations along the 2,250 km Sichuan-Tibet Expressway. XPENG customers now have access to its free charging facilities every 170 km along the scenic route from 500 meters to 4,100 meters above sea level. XPENG focuses on facilitating urban mobility as well as long-distance intercity driving convenience for customers. It is one of the few smart EV makers in China that is building out its own charging stations as well as partnering with other established charging networks. The company plans to expand its free charging service network further during 2021 to 200 cities, covering a broader range of locations, including highway and airports. Right, if you don't know, then XPENG has already partnered with a company called TELD, which is the operator of China's largest charging network. And if you are an XPENG customer, you get free lifetime charging service. That is so cool. The company has expanded its charging stations all the way down to Tibet. If you don't know that Tibet sits just behind the Himalayas. Alright, let's look at another article from Investor Place. Deliveries and strategic alliance add to XPENG's appeal. With solid April deliveries and strong growth prospects, XPEB stock is a great EV play. Well, that is true. Alright, if you thought that the EV market is ready for a slowdown, you are wrong. The industry is expanding across borders. EV companies have had a huge increase in investors' interest over the past year. Despite the increasing competition in the industry, XPENG has maintained its foothold. XPEB stock is trading closer to its August 2020 level of $22 and has the potential to double. It was recently trading around $27. The company is a major Chinese EV pure play and has the potential to scale and deliver. As XPENG is expecting few factories up and running in the coming years, I think they will definitely be able to scale. And as China being the biggest EV market in the world, there should not be any lack of demand with XPENG's vehicles. Moreover, they have already entered Europe and they are expanding in the coming years there too. So the company is approaching its Q1 earnings of the year. As you can see, according to Seeking Alpha, the EPS estimated is loss of 20 cents per share and the revenue estimated is 464 million. You can see their actual revenue on the previous quarter, which was Q4 2020, was 436 million, where they bet massively by 32 million. Now they had a lot higher revenue expectation than the Q4 2020. And if you look into the vehicle deliveries, they have only delivered few hundred more vehicles than Q4 2020. So I don't know, there might be some surprise or there might be some disappointment. So the earning is taking place on 13th of May. Set your date, which is Thursday next week. I think it is before the market opens, so expecting higher volatility. Nonetheless, if you're going long term with XPENG, then I think you're betting on the right horse. But patience is needed. Control your emotion. So that is all for this video. If you're still there, thank you very much for watching till the very end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Invest safely as always. See you in the next video.